the LG V20 user here, and today I'll be showing you guys a new feature that YouTube rolled out recently. The feature is called Camera, so the name fits the feature that YouTube is going for here. So if you guys like to live stream to YouTube from your laptop, this method will be a lot easier and simpler for you to live stream without really having to set up anything to live stream on YouTube. So this method is a lot easier. It's quick, it's easy, it's simple. So if you guys don't want to do all the crazy nonsense or whatever, this method will be a lot easier for you. Alright, so in order to get to there, all you do is go to the video manager on YouTube on your desktop here. Go over to the left and click on live streaming right here. Click on this. And you guys will be brought to the live streaming screen, as you guys will see right here. This is your regular live streaming screen right here, and all that good stuff. And you guys will see two other things here on the side in the live streaming section. You guys will see events and camera. Camera is a new feature from YouTube, so you click on camera, and the name says it all. You basically will record with your webcam on your laptop, so that's pretty good. And you record any you can record with any webcam that you got, either if it's your laptop camera or a camera that you may have that's attached to your laptop or whatever. So you guys can probably see me in the background there. What's up, guys? How you guys doing today? So you guys will see like a preview of yourself in the little box there, and you guys will see black bars on the side. Just ignore that. That is how it is on YouTube. You guys do it this way. So you guys will not get the whole screen. That would, you guys will get like a portion of the screen here, as you guys can see. And you guys will have black bars on the side. So it is what it is, guys. So basically, once you guys do this, you guys will be read it to the screen right here, and you guys will have an option to put your title. So I've already done the description for this video already, so that's why you guys see the title there. So if you guys want to do that, just put in the title anytime you want, and I'm gonna put live stream test because this is gonna be a live stream test, and I'm gonna delete the live stream after it's been on YouTube. So you can put your title there. You can have it public or unlisted. So I'll leave it public for now. And you got more options. You can do your title if you guys don't do it on the first page, and you guys can come here and do your descriptions and all that good stuff and whatever, and put links or whatever you guys need to do. Yeah, you can do it here. I'm gonna delete all this. Put live stream test. So that's what I'm gonna put there, and you guys have the option to choose your camera, your microphones and stuff like that. Advanced settings, you guys can allow chat, so where you guys can interact with your viewers, audience, and other people can chat in the chat box in the live stream and stuff like that. You can enable age restriction if you guys want to do that. If you guys want to make inappropriate videos and you guys don't think it's suitable for kids, you guys can put age restrictions on that. If you guys get like product reviews or whatever the case may be, this last section you guys can have it checked or not checked, and it says the video contains paid promotions such as paid product placement, sponsorship, or endorsement. So if you guys want to have that checked, you can have it checked, and you can have it not checked. And I'm just going to just leave it as it is because I don't get paid on YouTube, so that don't really apply to me. So yeah. So if you guys think, so once you guys are done doing up your description and your title and all that good stuff, and make sure everything's ready for you to go live, just hit back. You can hit next here, and all that's take a selfie or whatever, smile for the thumbnail. Come on. So that's my thumbnail right there, as you guys can see me doing the peace sign. So once you guys do the thumbnail thing, you guys will you get to this screen right here, and you guys can, you guys will have your thumbnail right here, your title, and you guys can share the live stream if you guys want to, and you guys can go live if you want. You also got your little chat box over here. You can have and your people will be chatting over here and stuff like that about whatever, you can reply back to them and all that good stuff. And you'll have your emojis down here, and you guys, I don't know why it just froze up there, but whatever. So you guys will have your emojis there. You guys click on top chat here. If you guys click on top chat, you can the only option that you'll have is top chat for now. And you guys click on the 3 arrows. You guys could participants, pop out chat, and toggle timestamps. If you guys pop out the chat, let's see what happens. Yeah, you'll have your chat thing over here in the little window. Restore chat. So whatever happens, just hit restore chat, and it should restore your chat. And then there you go, and you type whatever you want. So once you guys are ready to go, just hit go live here. I'm gonna warn you guys. This I don't know if this sample live stream is gonna buffer, and that if it does buffer, my bad, because my hotspot is currently started right now on Verizon. So keep that in mind. And that's why you guys might see it buffer a little bit. If it does, I'm sorry in advance. So let's check this out. Going live. What's going on, y'all? The LG V20 user here, and this is a test live stream here. I'm testing out YouTube's new feature called Camera. So this is what it looks like when you guys go live. So you guys will have your time up here. You guys will have the people that are watching, your likes and stuff like that right here. You'll have I guess this is like your volume or whatever. You can also mute the microphone. You can do that. You can share the video. So you can share the URL to whoever you want, and they can pop in. You can also end stream if you want, and you can also once you guys are live, you guys will see your comments in your chat on the right side here. I wonder if you can mute the chat. I don't think you can mute the chat, but but yeah. So this is just a practice live samples test, and I have one person watch. I don't know who that is. Whoever that is, thumbs up to you. So I'm gonna end this live stream here, and I'm gonna delete this stream here. So yeah. So once you guys get done doing your stream, it will ask you, do you guys want to end your live stream? You can say not yet, or you can end it if you want. I'm gonna say end it. You guys are gonna have your thumbnail there, your title, your channel name right here. You have playbacks 1. You're gonna have peak comments 0, but that's mine is right now. I didn't get no comments in this video. But this was just a test live stream, so do keep that in mind. You'll have new subscribers. I got none. Duration of the stream was 1 minute 26 seconds. This was a test live stream. So if you guys enjoyed that, like this video here. Total watch time 10 seconds, because it was just a test. And average watch time 10 seconds, as you guys see right here. So once you guys are finished, you guys can hit done. And your live stream will be under your advanced tab here on the live streaming section here. So you guys will have your live stream right there, and you'll have it public or private there on the right. You guys can edit the thing. Live control room, I'm not sure what the that is. Analytics. We use settings as new live event. Download report. So So I don't know what live control room is. You know what? Let's click on it and see what happens. Alright. So I guess it just takes me to the thing here. Just give it a second to load here. So you guys will have your info and settings, ingest and settings, what the hell that is, cards, and live control room. I'm curious to see what the hell this is. So you guys will have your information here and all that good stuff. You can scroll down there, you can check it out. You know, you can check out the shit and whatnot. What the hell is this live control room? Let's check this out. It lets me check it out. I don't know. I don't know. I don't know why it won't let me. That might be what this is the live control room. I don't know. So if you guys want to check out your stream on your video manager, just go back to here and it's gonna have it in your video manager as a video. So once you guys get done live streaming, it will be saved as a regular video for other people to watch later on, and you guys will have the chat to go along with it and the replay of the live stream on YouTube. So that's pretty cool. So as you guys can see right here, live stream test date, stream March 26th, processing. You know, you'll have your user. Someone liked the video. I don't know who liked the video, but whoever liked the video, thank you for liking the video. So if you guys want to delete the live stream, that's what I'm gonna do. Just hit delete, and the live stream will be gone. So that was just a test live stream there. So that's pretty fucking cool. So if you guys just want to live stream from your laptop, easily and simply, go to live stream, go to camera, and you'll be good to go. Set your title with descriptions and all that, you'll be good to go. That's a lot easier, and this is a lot easier than doing it the other way around. So yeah, so that's pretty fucking cool. So if you guys want to check this out, it's really easy. Just go to the video manager on your desktop, go to live streaming, go to camera, and then you'll be good to go. Alright, so yeah, so if you guys enjoyed this tutorial, give me a thumbs up, guys. It really helps me out a lot. PJ, come subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my video, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.